Alright, first video for Outlaw RVers. It's kind of a mouthful to say. It's been an emotional roller coaster for this thing because we had nothing but problems. But here we are, driving out of the parking lot for the first time.
After a month of trying to get problems fixed.
And almost didn't make it because the armrest wouldn't go down. But anyway, this is the beginning. It's a great thing, and we'll be in touch. Hey there, it's Lisa and Mike and Senji from Outlaw RVers. Been on the road for our first trip for about 18 hours. Stopped for 6 to sleep and been hitting a lot of traffic. Been a lot of rain, but it's finally cleared up now. We're in Virginia, right?
Yep, Virginia. Heading to Williamsburg.
And it's been quite a bumpy ride. There's definitely not a lot of cushion in this thing, but it's been comfortable otherwise. Trying to deal with Senji, trying to tell us what she needs. She's bored, and it's pretty small in here from what she's used to, so trying to figure out if she's barking at us for attention or for food or because she has to go out, but when we try to take her out she freaks out, so it's been a little challenging, but we're having fun and we're getting there. We're looking for a place to stop for Mike to rest, and we did go to do a little shopping. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll keep you posted.
Hi guys. Hi. So what's off exit 152?
Applebee's, China One, KFC, McDonald's, Ruby Tuesday, Taco Bell, Walmart, Asian Pan, Chick-fil-A, Cracker Barrel, Five Guys, IHOP, Jerry's Subs, Panera, Starbucks, Subway, Tiziano, Waffle House.
So where'd you get all that information?
Next exit.
What is that all about?
Tells you what's off every exit. All the stores, all the gas stops, all the hotels. All the shopping. And then there's one off of 130 also has a ton of stuff. And 126, so there's several of them along the way. So whenever you feel like stopping.
Okay, sounds good. So here we are at Anvil Campground in
Williamsburg,
Williamsburg,
Virginia.
Virginia. They have some pretty cool stuff here.
Look at
They've
the
got a nice,
pretty nice.
wagon wheel. They've got a gazebo.
The train goes by here. It's quite loud.
The
Goes
dog
right
park.
around us, actually.
Where does it go?
It's right around like that.
A nice laundry
It's
room.
long and it's loud. It's a cargo train or whatever you want to call it. It's not,
So this-
it's not a passenger train.
So this campground was listed as the #1 campground in the
way.
country in 2022.
No way.
Wait a minute. What do you think, Lisa? Was this the #1 campground in the country?
Very clean and it's very cute, but it's
Very small.
definitely not #1. The sites are small. They're not even small. But minuscule.
Going into the camp store.
In the summertime, we have 2
Jiffy Pop. S'mores.
Good, how are you? All the necessities. Oh, this is good.
Never sleep
That's
alone.
actually really cute.
It's a dog.
Sure. be my sugar daddy? Will you be my sugar daddy?
No, they need one that says Sugar Mama.
No, I don't like that.
Okay, I'll be your sugar daddy.
Because then I get one of these. Campground counselor. A kazoo.
How do you play kazoo? Breaking things out. You break it, you buy it.
Yo-yo. Oh, I like that one too.
Camp girl. My wife wouldn't wear that.
Never camp alone.
Look at her organization skills.
Dog is mental.
Yeah. Her organization skills, she had to fix that.
Yes. My OCD. So look at this.
So this place started out as a blacksmith shop that was converted to a campground. And it's been around for a long time.
Yeah, I just gave her the card.
Got all your essentials if you need it. You have a break in your sewer line. You don't want poop going everywhere. Extra cords. Lots of junk. I wouldn't call it junk. It's RV stuff, so it's good stuff.
They have
So we're waiting for our Uber. Gonna go to downtown Williamsburg, Virginia.
That's a big happy girl.
What is it?
One big happy girl. 7.
7.
7. 7's my lucky. It's all right.
So there's, I don't think there's 70 sites here. I don't know if the numbers are wrong, but maybe there are. It's a fairly small campground, but I actually like it. It's very clean, but we're packed in pretty tight.
Yeah, there's no space between. Very little space.
Very noisy. It felt like we were at a NASCAR last night with all the cars and motorcycles racing up and down the street non-stop until at least midnight.
Kept waiting for that big crash sound because it just sounded like there was going to be something bad.
Yeah, the freight trains were pretty cool coming by though.
Yeah, that doesn't bother me. The revving of the engines.
But definitely a lot of cars racing around here, so it's not the quietest
I mean,
campground.
It's a great campground, clean, close to stuff, but it's if you're looking for a quiet place with lots of space, lots of room for the kids to run around.
And here's our Uber driver.
Williamsburg, downtown area. So the guy told us that they don't believe in new buildings. They want to preserve the old. So all this stuff looks pretty well preserved, very clean. Lots of people, as you can see. It's pretty neat. There's lots of different stores. You know, meander around and see what we can find.
Spices and teas.
See? I left the Christmas shop. Yeah, there's lots of stuff we'll just check out and we'll let you know what we find.
So you know how you're in one of those stores where the women and the wives like to shop? They don't have a husband chair where I get just like sit while she shops. But that's okay. Because she is shopping.
What are you going to get?
We have to get one of these for Jenny for her truck. She's leaving next month. Where are we?
Mellow mushroom.
And what's the mellow mushroom all about?
It's a pizza Tip Bakery, downtown Williamsburg, Virginia.
Yeah, we're gonna get a copyright because of the music, but that's okay. They have a lot to choose from. I'll edit the sound out. And my wife ordered me a Jameson, and we've got some Guinness coming.
Ready?
Go. Your time's counting. You're on fire.
I love basketball.
So Lisa did an apprenticeship at Colonial Williamsburg Blacksmith, and part of the apprenticeship is walking downtown. And she had to walk downtown with this guy, and this is what he taught her.
That's what he looks like when he walks. It's hilarious.
Hi, I'm Mike,
I'm Lisa.
and we're the Outlaw RVers. We're going to let you know the real truth of what's going on with this first trip with the dog.
The real deal.
The real
There's
deal.
been some
Issues.
hiccups.
Hiccups.
You know, I mean, look around. The freaking place is amazing. It's beautiful. Like, how can I complain about anything? And I don't mean to, because there's so many good things. But that's one of them, and that's not even part of the camper. That's just our freaking ass dog who's mental.
Who's mental. She hasn't understood the camping realm.
She's very scared.
She's very scared. She's
But anyway, back to the camper. The shower is subpar.
compared to our fifth wheel. I would definitely say we went with a tankless water heater on this motorhome because that's what they offer only. So it would really be nice to maybe have a 6-gallon hot water tank like we used to have, because Lisa tried to wash her hair and you ran out of hot water, right?
Well, yeah, I ran out of hot water when I was full of soap too, which was not pleasant.
So
then I had to wait for the water to get warm again, and then rinse the soap off. And I didn't even attempt to wash my hair at that point because
Now we do have the shower miser, so it's used to getting or figuring out how to get used to using the shower miser.
But also the head doesn't
spray
on you. It sprays straight down because it's heavy. So that's an issue too. So the shower, not happy with the shower at all.
Right. And if you look over Lisa's shoulder, you'll see a towel. We do have a little water leak on one of the windows. Not a big deal. I know how to fix it. It's just a little, I looked at the gasket and they missed a little silicone. Easy fix. Not a problem.
And the shower leaked a little bit too.
And the shower leaked a little bit. We have to close a little silicone there. You know, it's a good motor coach, but there are some issues that they need to take care of. And we need to figure out what to do with Senji, our dog.
Not Thor's problem.
That's not Thor's problem. Senji is right there. Come here, Senji. Come here. She's good, but
Sit.
she is not very good when it comes to being outside of the motorhome.
Just antisocial.
She's very scared. She loves mommy. She loves daddy. And she needs to figure out what camping is all about.
She needs to figure out what being outside is all about.
Yeah.
She doesn't like to go outside anywhere. It doesn't matter if we're here or home.
Or at home.
She's just a really nervous dog, and we're very frustrated by
Yeah.
that. But
We're frustrated, but we love her.
anyway, that's it for today.
For
Until
today.
later, when we go out and have some
I'm
fun.
sorry that our videos are going to be like hodgepodged all over the place, but
Oh, the train's going
oh,
by. Take
and
a
by the
video.
way, we have a campground that has a train right there all night. Now we're at I'm going to say it. We're at Anvil Campground. They were the #1 campground for 2022 in the entire country. And you know what? There's probably 70 sites. Beautiful campground, but we're on top of each other. It's great as far as like where we are, because we're closest to downtown Williamsburg, old colonial Williamsburg. They have a city bus because we don't have a toter.
Which we haven't.
Because we don't have a toter, we're not towing any.
But we haven't used the bus either.
Right, we didn't use the bus. We used an Uber. So it's a good spot, but
I don't think it was best in the country. Honestly.
I don't think it's best in the country. We stayed at Yellowstone. We stayed at.
No, I think you misread what it said, though. I saw something on here about what it was voted as. It was voted one of the top, but I don't think it was the best one in the country.
But it was something like that. Very clean, super nice, friendly people, super nice staff. I'm not doubting the campground, but every 2 hours there's a long freight train that comes through.
That doesn't bother me as much as my dog.
But the other issue that we had is there's 2 main roads between the campground, and there were people racing their cars like we were at NASCAR.
Yeah.
Up and down the road all night. All night. They were just racing up and down the road. So it was that noise of crotch rockets and Honda Civics that have like those tow hooks and wings, but they never go to a racetrack. Believe me. We worked at a racetrack. My wife was the doctor. I was a fire paramedic for IMSA. But you know what? They're just driving around with wings and tow hooks like they're at a racetrack. Didn't work. Right? Didn't work.
Even if it wasn't, so it's not supposed to be here.
Right. So,
Anyway, we're talking too much. My husband likes to talk too much sometimes.
hey, that's
He
the
doesn't
real
like to, he just does.
right. So I guess we'll
But
check
I love
out.
him anyway.
But I guess we'll check out right now, right?
Yes. So I'm going to go pick up this ball before I fall down the stairs.
Bye now.